Changzhou Raymond International Trading Company Limited is a professional trading company in China aimed at making the engineering easier and faster. We supply various construction machinery attachments, earth auger, quick hitch, hydraulic breaker, hydraulic grapple, vibro ripper, etc. Established in 2009, with much experience to solve engineering problems, not only products seller, but also artworks maker in China. In recent years, our associated factory has introduced a series of advanced equipment including computer numerical control machine, shot blasting machine, plasma cutting machine, lathes, drilling machines, and milling machines, and so on. All our workers are skilled and professional. We have our own Ministry of Technology and laboratory to develop new products and customized design products dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Due to our stable supply capability and high quality with competitive price, we have gotten good reputation and were awarded by CE certificate. We have good sales in domestic market and overseas market. We also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Europe, North America, Southeast Asia, etc. If you have any new ideas or concerns for the products, please contact us. We are ready to provide knowledge and experience for you and establish cooperation with you. Ray Attachments is a attachments family, your integrated solution expert.